Hello, what's going on? Alun Da Silva here, and I'm pumped to be with you here again. So today I'm going to be talking about traffic. Yeah, the T word, traffic. So many people come to me and say, hey Alun, how do I generate quality traffic? You know, it's easy for you to just go and buy traffic. But even for a beginner, it might not be that easy because you might not even have so much resources to continuously buy traffic. Now, how can you generate quality traffic? Don't worry, I am your help today. I'm going to tell you. You see, it's really not a rocket science, something very simple that when you master, you know. And I'll advise you for traffic. I'm going to leave a course below that taught me personally. This is a course from my personal mentor that taught me how you can master anything and everything you need to know about traffic. You learn in this course. You don't need any other course, my friend. I'm telling you. About traffic, you don't need any other course. I'm going to leave a link below and you can check it out. But today, I am going to talk to you about traffic and how you can generate quality traffic. Before I go deep into that, one of the easiest way to get traffic is, you know, we have organic and inorganic traffic, right? We have paid traffic, and of course, organic ones are the unpaid ones. So you can actually buy solo hours from Udemy or any other platform, Clickonomy, and name them. There are a lot of platforms out there. But then it's more difficult for you to convert this kind of people because they are not connected. They don't know you. They're cold. You see. You can also tap into influencers on Instagram, on Facebook, and so on. Those ones are a bit better. They're better, but then they're also costly. You see, you can tap you can do email, media bites and stuff, but those might cost you a bit of fortune. How can you learn to generate your own traffic? That will take a bit more of time. I'm going to be honest with you, but then that will bring you quality traffic. One very important way is to create your own content. Hey, my friend, it's important. I know that many beginners are like, oh, how do I create content? What should I don't know how to do anything? No, tell yourself no. Even if you're a beginner, you are starting a long-term thing. You are in business, my friend. You are in business, and you must think like a businessman or woman. You must tell yourself, okay, right, I don't know, where can I learn? The question is, where can I learn? Because you want to learn. If you want to build a sustainable business, you want to learn. Continuous learning is very important for you. So the first thing you have to do is to look for courses that will teach you traffic. Today, I'm just going to give you, a kind of a wrap up. But as I told you, I'm going to leave a link below and you can check Internet Traffic Mastery. If you want to master traffic, that is your traffic Bible. Trust me. So yeah, how can you generate quality traffic? You can generate quality traffic by creating your own content, as I already said. And you might wonder, how can I create content? Hey, look, just do what other people are doing. Remember, there are 3 golden rules in, I'll say in life or in business, whatever. Learn, do, and teach. This is it. Learn from other people, do it, get the result, and teach other people. This is it. These are 3 golden rules. Learn, do, and teach. So if you don't know how to generate traffic, learn. If you don't know how to create your own content, learn. You can create your own content by writing blogs. You can start by, all these things come with training. Write blogs for you to be able to read other people's blogs. Try to get your notebook. Try to compile some topics. What are the topics that you think you might be interested in and other people might be interested in? Or maybe you came across an issue on the internet and you're able to solve it. Teach other people how you were able to solve it. What was the issue and how you were able to solve it? Teach them. That's how you can create content, because one day someone somewhere will also be in that situation or will need that solution. Don't think, I know everybody knows everything. No, they don't. That's why we're on Google every time. That's why we're on YouTube. Hell, that's why you are watching this video, because you don't know something that you think I can help you, that I can teach you. And I hope that I can help you. And I hope that this content will actually give you your answer and help you to take action. So yeah, you can do it through vlogging as well, through videos. You can share your story. Hell, someone wants to know your story, how you broke through. Someone wants to know that. You see, look at your those that you follow on YouTube. Look at what other people are doing and model after them. Hey, don't copy, model. Say it in your own words, because your words are always going to be different from other people's words. Say, yeah, the best way for you to create quality traffic is for you to create content. It might take a bit of time, and yeah, you might start by buying traffic and stuff, but while you're buying traffic, while you're starting out, also create content, put them on YouTube, put them on Google, write a blog, get yourself a website where people can identify and meet you. Very important. So yeah, my friend, this is not rocket science. It's just something very simple. But then the more you do it, the better you get at it. So yeah, this is Alunda Silva, and I hope this was really useful to you. And this is how you can actually, create and get quality traffic for your offer, and then actually have people that will be loyal to you, which is what you want. You want to build a community, you want to build a business. So yeah, I hope this content was useful. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content and you would like to be notified whenever I drop some of my cool videos, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button as well. And hey, look, share, comment, and I hope to hear from you soon. So until I come your way again, hey.